So I wanted to make a video on this Dyson V11 Torque Drive Plus. This is a fantastic vacuum. This is how it looks like in my garage. I keep it charged all the time. This is a great vacuum. I'm just going to show you some of the accessories. This is the small power head. It does come with a big power head as well as crevice tools and all the wonderful accessories that Dyson has. So I'm going to do a quick test here. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to vacuum my car, my house, hardwood floors, and also the stairs. So stay tuned to the end. You'll see an awesome demonstration of how much dirt I picked up. So let's get to it. So I got the Dyson. I put the power head on it and actually went to the car and said, you know what, I'm going to just try the car and just see how it works. I have it on economy drive, which is around 60 minutes, really, 65, maybe 70 minutes max. And I just vacuum the carpet. You can see here, I'm going to do a dump test in 1 second. Stay with me. And you can see here, from a few seconds in the car, it does pick up some dirt. And those carpets weren't that dirty. I just vacuumed them about a week ago. Not bad. And then I went to my house and I want to show you a bit of my carpet. And I did this Eco Drive. I did it on economy. I did it on normal, and I did it on boost. And at the end, you'll see the results of that. So you can see here, it gives a nice countdown timer, which I really do like about this Dyson. This is well made, very, very beefy. I like the way it feels. On economy, it really smooth and picks up really well. It has this little adapter on it as well. You can get underneath like carpeting, underneath floors, things like that, which is kind of cool, which you just hit a button and basically you don't have to bend down and kill yourself, which is really kind of nice. You hit that button and you can go under, on the tables, under your bed, anything, which is kind of cool. So you don't really have to bend over and you can get a good reach without really killing yourself, which is a really nice feature, a really good feature. I wish they would have a headlight on the front of the head. That's the only thing I wish they would do, but hopefully they will do in the future. And also in hardwood floors. So it really works well from carpet to hardwood floors seamlessly. No issues whatsoever. It was pretty smooth transition. And then I continued just vacuuming, so you can see from hardwood floors to carpeting to hardwood floors. And then I did my stairs again with the small power head. And this is really a good versatile vacuum. You can clean your whole house with one charge. It has no issues whatsoever. So I'm going to show you here this quick test. You're going to see 3 dumps of dirt. You're going to see one is from economy, one is normal, and one is boost. So you can see the 3 different ones. So you get an idea what it does. It does everything you need to do. It works perfectly in my home. And I definitely highly recommend the Dyson V11 Torque Drive.